What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy CD Christian Digital, and after 1 month away from the game, I am back yet again with another one. First, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate that truly to the fullest. You have no idea how cool it is to log into your YouTube channel and see your subscriber count going up. So I appreciate that. And if you're just clicking, please subscribe to me today. And give me a thumbs up on the video, and I really appreciate it. This is Christian Digital, where we review all types of digital products. I'm going to be more consistent with this because you guys need me. You need me to buy these things. You need me to buy the headphones. You need me to buy the Amazon products to review them before you buy them. So it's no risk for you and only gain for you. So help me to help you serve and help me to help serve you, and just subscribe to my channel, like, comment, give me some pointers on this on my channel so I can make it grow and be a better servant to you all. And as you can see, without further ado, we have the truly wireless headphones, in-ear headphones by looks like Rademax. And I have the link in the description if you want to check these out. If you paid attention to my videos in the past, I am a box guy. I like to, collect the boxes and look at them. And this is not necessarily plain Jane, but it's not the best box I've come across in my headphone adventures. Let's check out the specs real quick. This is a let's see here. Model P10 wireless version V5.0. Yeah, don't really know what all that means, but there it is in case any of you tech nerds want to check it out. Yeah, just pause that and give that a look. See right there. And yeah, these are the truly wireless headphones. From what I read, they have about 3.5 hours of playtime, and let's just dive into it and see what we have. Slide that off, place that right there, and like I say, plain Jane box, nothing special here. Let's just get it open and see what we have. Oh, it's white. It looks like a guidebook. I love these guidebooks. Oh, maybe not. Have a look. Let's see. It's open. Oh yes, okay. Looks like they gave us a little thank you card. Thank you card. Do we have any questions? No, we don't. All right, let's slide this over here. All right, y'all can scan that in if you want. Okay, let's check out the back here. Directions for use in case people don't know how to. Well, people don't. There are people who don't know how to sync headphones. It's complicated. Not too complicated for me, but it is complicated. So y'all check that out for the directions. Okay, I'm gonna place this aside right here. And we have something else. User manual. All right. Crack that open so y'all can get a quick peep at that, just in case you're interested. All right. Boom. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna place that to the side now. Boom. And let's get into the main course right here. Okay. So far, I'm liking the case for the phone. These are some extra earbuds. Everything. Every headphone I bought comes with that. Then we got the USB port charger. Okay, now let's check this out. This is what I can't wait to get to. Yeah, I'm gonna take the whole plastic out. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling this case so far. It doesn't feel absolutely cheap, even though these are about how much did I pay for these? About $50. So not bad, and I'm feeling the nice build to it. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break as soon as I drop it one day. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a button press. Okay, that's the first one with the button. That's the first one with a little button open right there. So okay, wow, that's not bad. It's simple, but still stands out to me. Still stands out to me. Okay, and let's take the earbuds out. Let's see what we have here. Okay, all right. These are not anything special just from looking at it. Of course, I don't know how they sound, but I'm going to plug them in, sync them to my phone, and see how they sound. Cause that's why you're really buying these. You're buying these to see how they sound, not necessarily how they look or feel, but how do they sound in your ears. So give me a minute or so. I'm going to try these out, play a couple tracks, and I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, I'm back. And okay, about these. They're good. I'm going to say that they're good. The earbuds themselves don't feel too, I guess, I ain't going to say they feel cheap, but they don't feel like, oh, yeah, I paid a whole lot for these. It kind of just feels like, you're getting what you pay for these. And again, these are about $50. The sound quality is good. Not my favorite. I like a little more bass in my headphones, but these are not bad. These are not bad. One of my favorite features about them so far is that if you hold down the right one, if you just hold it down, the volume turns up. And if you hold the left one down, the volume goes down. So I thought that was really cool right there. And one other thing, it automatically syncs to your phone if you have the Bluetooth on as soon as you take it out the case. So it synced to my friend's phone, and he didn't even know it. I didn't even know it till it happened, and I was hearing his tracks. But yeah, but the volume feature is great. I think that was a cool thing to add there. What else they have here? The touch pause on it is awesome. I didn't make a phone call on it, but I'm just assuming that probably sounds about the same as the sound as the video, not video, but the music that was playing. But yeah, I'll give these a thumbs up. I give them a thumbs up, especially for the price, $50. You can check them out. Again, I had the link in the description. Amongst my other headphones, especially my favorite ones, the E7, McCohen. Then they call Cohen headphones. Those are my favorite headphones so far. So guys, yeah, check them out and check these out as well. These are great. And also I have a Instagram page, Christian Digital 1. I have that link in the description as well. And I really want you guys to check that out too. Every time I post something new, I put it on there and to drive traffic back and forth. Got a huge fingerprint right there. Oh, and I just made it worse. Great. But yeah, guys, check out my Instagram page, Christian Digital 1. I have the link. Check these out. Earbuds, truly wireless headphones by Rademax on Amazon. They got about 4 stars on there. So these are legit. I'll give them a thumbs up, like I said before. But yeah, guys, that's about it for this week. I'm still giving away the Amazon Echo. I'm still giving away the Kindle soon. Just really want to get my subscribers up a little bit more to give those away. Free gift from me to you. And that's pretty much all I have for you today, guys. And one more thing before I go, I just want to encourage you all, whoever's watching this, that anything's possible. If you have goals in your life and you're trying to achieve something, man, just don't give up on it. Don't give up. Stay focused. Stay humble. And watch how things start to open up for you in your lives and for your loved ones, for your families. Just believe and have faith, and anything is possible, guys. All right. Thank you for watching Christian Digital this week. I'm going to be more consistent with these, so look forward for one next week, and if not next week, the week after that. And thank you, guys. Please like, subscribe, check out Rademax headphones and amongst the other headphones I have reviewed. And thank you. Y'all have a good night. Peace.